Outstanding design defines the 2020 Jeep Cherokee. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Jeep prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a power seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and power windows. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.